Nature Box versus Graze Box. Woo! Who's gonna win? Who knows? So today we're gonna talk about which box I like better, Graze or Nature. So far, my opinion is still up there for the Nature Box. They give you bigger bags for one. It is a little more expensive for, I think, how many bags did I get? Four bags for a little spendy, but you know, it is a lot more. These aren't too bad, but it is samples and $11. So, so I got some cool new things in the mail today. Have not tried them. I have tried these. These are my favorite. I've ordered these 3 times because I can't get enough of those. And have not tried these, so we're gonna open these. Even though these bags are so hard to open. Oh, I opened the wrong one. I didn't want those, but we can try them anyways. I really want to try these apple chips. So this is what, ooh, they smell so good. So they give you a lot in here. Those are really good. So good. We're gonna try these cinnamon date honey bites. And this is what they look like. I don't know if you guys can see that. And my camera focus. Anyways, so we're gonna try it. I'm not a fan. I don't really like them, but you know, it's a snack. So because I have this here, I gotta have one. They're my favorite. So good. If you go in Graze, order these. They're the bomb. So I have some nature snacks to try. So we're gonna try them. The jalapeno white cheddar popcorn. I heard a lot of their flavors actually taste what they say. So we're gonna see if that's true. So this is jalapeno popcorn. This is what it looks like. Delicious. This is, oops, not in the camera. I don't know if you can see like the little, you can't really see it on the camera, but like it's covered in like little green specks. Oh my. If you like spicy, get these. These are really good. You get the jalapeno, really. That tastes like it says honey Dijon pretzels. These look good. The jalapeno popcorn snuck back up my throat. Wow. These are blueberry almond bites. So there's not a lot in here, so I probably will not order these ones again, but they look really good. Those are really good. So far, it's true to a fact. They taste what the name says to them. So like, this one totally tastes like jalapeno white cheddar popcorn. So a lot of snacks, they say something and then actually doesn't taste what you think. So we're gonna try these white dried peaches. They don't look appetizing. I'm not a dried fruit person. Not the greatest. And then I also have this. This is called chocolate pecan pie. So supposedly you take the chocolate that's in here, the almond, and the other thing that I'm not really sure what it is. It's supposed to taste like a pecan pie. And I love pecan pies. So we're going to try and see if this actually tastes like a pecan pie, like it says. So we got our, oh my. Okay. Ugh. Try to make like a little sandwich here, but it's not working. Okay, so I made my little sandwich. We got the, I'm not sure what this is called. And then the chocolate, and then the almond. Not bad. It actually does. Not horrible. But I really do want a pie. Just saying. So, I have tried everything from Graze to Nature Box. The only thing I have not tried are these. But I've already, they came in 4. There's already 3. These ones did truly taste like blueberry almonds. So, I gotta say, what they are providing that says jalapeno white cheddar popcorn actually tastes like jalapeno white cheddar popcorn. So they are true to their snacks and stuff. I feel like some of their snacks are a little rip-off, like these that actually taste really good and they give you like hardly anything. But so far, I think this winning challenge, I have to say the Nature Box, even though that one of the bags gave little bit, I'm pretty sure that I would do the Nature Box over Graze, just because they give you bigger bags, for one. 2, these bags are more expensive, and you have to buy them individually. So, I gotta say Nature wins this competition. Next time we will try some other snacks for you, and yeah. So if you would like to see another video like this, please subscribe and like this video down below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!